So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to earn real money by playing Merge Town here on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up, go to the bottom left and press on the games icon, and then press on Get Started. It's then going to redirect you to the web browser here where it's going to bring you to the games page. So basically on this page, you can download and play a bunch of different games to earn Swagbucks, which then over time, if you accumulate enough, you can exchange for real money. Now in this case, I have my sort set to most popular, so if I were to scroll down right here, we're looking for the game Merge Town. So Merge Town is, I don't 100% see it right here, so we're actually going to go ahead here to where it says A to Z, and we're going to scroll down all the way to the M's here. So where we go to the M's right here is we're right here. So Merge Town right here, earn up to 4906. We'll go ahead and select that. Now in this example, if you were to download it right here, you can earn up to 4,906 Swagbucks by playing Merge Town. So if we were to go down here and install the game, you can complete a couple of different levels and get different Swagbucks. And obviously over time, if you accumulate enough, you can exchange this for gift cards and real money. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can earn up to 4,900 Swagbucks or earn real cash by playing Merge Town here on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.